Hello, how is you? Guys, don't mind me, I'm just channeling my inner Geneva. So, hi, it's Nero. Welcome back to my channel. Today, you and I, the two of us, we're going to be making an organic lightening black soap. So, meaning no serums, just natural ingredients. The first ingredient on our list is the African black soap, and as you can see, I'm breaking it up into pieces, just like the pieces of my love life. okay, guys, let me try to be serious now. I'm not wearing any gloves, but you should wear gloves. Don't be like me. I'm a bad child. Wear gloves. I washed my hand though. So yeah, we're using 500 gram or 1 mold of Ghana black soap as our base. I measured using my kitchen scale. Our next ingredient is lemon juice. Okay, the lemon juice is in my juicer. I use orange juicer to juice out the lemon juice, and I'm going to use this measuring cup to measure up to 100 ml of lemon juice. The lemon juice is the most special. So the functions of lemon juice are oil control, the vitamin C and another antioxidant in it make it a good anti-aging ingredient, and also it's great for skin lightening. The third ingredient on our list is honey. Honey moisturizes the skin, honey glows the skin, brightens and lightens the skin gradually, of course. So for this recipe, we'll be needing 100 ml or 10 cl of original honey. Hey guys, I have something. I don't understand my honey. That honey has been over. I don't open it now. You only have time to block. I don't understand what is going on. Please, if you understand what is going on, just comment in the comment section below. Like, is this honey bad or is this a fake honey? Like, carried out all the tests to show that it was original honey and it showed up to be original. And in case you didn't notice, guys, we just hit 100 subscribers. Cheers to many more milestones to come. I'm making this black soap for my mom. Her skin is very sensitive. Any small thing and her face just turns into something else. Most skincare products she would apply on her face would give her white patches, even makeup products. And then after I started learning skincare, I started testing some of my soap recipes on her, and her skin has healed nicely now. It is not perfect, but it's far better than what it was before. So if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and recipes. And don't forget to turn on the post notification, because if you don't turn it on, YouTube will not show you my videos when I post. And the fourth ingredient on our list is Kojic dipamitate, not to be confused with kojic acid. Kojic dipamitate is the most stable form of kojic acid, and both of them, they are natural skin lighteners that have no side effect. They also treat hyperpigmentation. So I will be dissolving my Kojic dipamitate in oil because it's oil soluble, while kojic acid is water soluble. So this is just me pouring my dissolved kojic acid into my black soap, making sure everything enters, because there shall be no loss in Jesus' name. 1, 2, 3. So the next ingredient on our list is turmeric powder. Guys, turmeric powder is the bomb. It glows the skin, treats acne, lightens dark circles and dark spots. Even they did a study and found that turmeric essential oil in a lotion brightens the skin within 3 weeks. Guys, cinnamon powder is another bomb botanical powder. It has antibacterial properties that help fight against acne and eczema. Our next ingredient is sandalwood powder, which is very effective against pimples. It heals sunburns and it lightens the skin. Here we have oat powder. Oat powder is great for dry skin. It soothes the skin and provides mild exfoliation. Now here we have goat milk powder. It's either you use the powder form or you use liquid goat milk. The lactic acid content slowly brightens and lightens your skin. It also exfoliates your skin. Now for the part that I hate so much, it's time to mix. As you can see, your girl was seriously struggling with this thing. At this stage, some people use heat, but I personally don't recommend it because some of the important ingredients are heat sensitive, and once you heat them so much, you will render them useless. Guys, this is rubbing alcohol used for sanitizing. I want you to sanitize the container I'm going to transfer my black soap into. It's very important that you clean and sanitize your container to rid it of all bacteria and microorganisms. Don't forget to also sanitize the cover as well. Our soap is ready, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and turn on the post notifications for more skincare videos like this. Enjoy the rest of your days, guys.
One, two, three, funk it. My darling, I love you.